After a hard day's hike, he settles back into his tent and has a nice warm nap.
His natural habitat.
I'm getting an ear on. He's like half smiling while sleeping.
Definitely not talking about you.
What's up guys, Thursday 28th of December and we wake up on our day 2 of our Kilimanjaro trek on the Lamosha route, and check out this morning here. Check out this morning here on the Shira Plateau at Shira Campsite number 1. We have just been woken up at 6 AM with a nice hot cup of hot chocolate, and yeah, this is what it's like in a morning in Kilimanjaro. It is cold as anything, but body's starting to wake up now, and yeah, feeling good. Got good sleep last night and ready to tackle the day. So it was a 6 AM wake up call. Got an hour to pack our stuff, put everything in our big duffel bags, and then it's a 7 o'clock breakfast, and then we will head off at 8 o'clock. But man, I love this feeling. Love waking up on a different part of the world, camping, experiencing these kind of things. Nice pink, orange hues behind me, clouds still rolling in, and the sun's about to rise. I think just behind Kilimanjaro there, facing east that way, as we are west of Kilimanjaro right now.
Cheers, butter. George, I'm really excited for the video you're making.
Yeah, there's gonna be lots to edit when I get home.
What do you think your ETA is on it?
This is where all the magic happens. Can I see?
Well, welcome.
The chef.
Yes.
Morning, chef.
Morning.
Morning.
How are you guys?
Yeah, really good. This is
where?
yeah, sleep. Yep. Delicious egg. This is where all the magic happens, and pancakes. Eggs, pancakes, and what's this one, rice?
Water.
Oh, water. Yeah, nice. Lots of fruits and veggies at the back there. For lunch later on, probably. Asante sana.
Okay.
Karibu.
Naam.
Shika.
Zikusanye sehemu moja jamani.
Kwa nini ziweke pale?
This is the water station. Nice warm water in here. And Michaela's grabbing some from the drinking station.
Not even a normal USB or an HDMI.
And enjoy the mountain. Try to smile to the mountain. The mountain gonna smile back to you.
Photo.
Okay.
Nice. Alright, we are just now leaving Shira Camp 1, 8:30 in the morning, and we are on our way. So the plan is about a 4.5 hour hike, 10 Ks, nice and slow, pole, and then once we get to campsite, it should be about lunchtime. We'll have lunch and then go on a acclimatizing hike at about 4 PM in the afternoon for about an hour and a half. We should elevate to about, I think, 3,800 at Shira Camp 2, and then maybe break the 4,000 mark on our acclimatizing hike. So that is the general gist for today.
No, I know your trick, mate.
Oh yeah.
I'd rather fall on the water.
He was born yesterday. He wasn't born yesterday. He'd rather fall in the water.
This guy. You'd never be that nice.
I've never tried to help you with anything. What was the main guy's name?
You have Rashid.
Oh yeah, Rashid's the main guy.
You have Godson.
Rashid, godson. Ah, the godson.
You
Yeah.
have Innocent.
Jackson and
Innocent.
Innocent.
You have Rayson. We are 6 together.
oh, 6 together. Ah, yeah, radio.
Make your dreams become true.
Yeah, dreams come true up the mountain. Alright, so we are just elevating slowly. We have done about 70 meters up and going at a relatively cruisy pace of 3 kilometers an hour or so. Also, I don't know if you've noticed in the footage, they actually have some women porters now too. I think they said there's some women guides as well, not with Alteza yet, but behind me here, here's a couple of them coming. So for day 2, I just started off with a liner, t-shirt, and my normal jacket. That was good for the morning, but obviously it's gonna heat up throughout the day. Beautiful bluebird sky. Well, not quite anymore, but pretty clear day, sun is out, so it is relatively warm. So I took off the liner, just a shirt and a jacket. And for the pants, I've got my trekking pants on. I do have a liner underneath, but since it's warming up, probably not necessary. Could probably have done without. All right, we did well. We managed to fit most of us. Gaboni Kilimanjaro.
I got a plant. I was too annoyed to do that. And I pulled it, and then I had like red dots everywhere. My brother was laughing so hard.
Break time now, enjoying the sun. Nowhere in the world can you not find Oreos.
Tea break, tea break.
Awesome work, man. Thank you, much needed. Check that out. Looking after us. Alright, we got here bread, beans, sugar and tea. Tea would be nice. Oh, honey? You got honey?
Yes.
Oh, sweet. Alright, a little quick pit stop. We are about 2 hours 45 minutes in, 5.6 Ks, and I've elevated 300 meters at this point. Feeling the shortness of breath even when you're having a conversation. But not too bad, just a mild, very small, like 2 out of 10 headache while you're walking, but as soon as you stop, it's all good. You can see the clouds rolling in quickly, covering the mountain. We'll be hiking through that by the end of today. Do you guys have a name for this?
Yeah, those are called old beards.
What is it?
Old beards.
Old beards?
Old beards.
Oh, old beards. I see. You call it old beards as well.
Old
Yeah.
lichen.
Oh, the lichen? Lichen?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, the same. Yeah, the lichen.
Yeah.
They say the same thing in South America. What's the lichen in Swahili?
Devil's a babu.
Devil's a babu.
Devil,
Oh, yeah, devil.
And devil.
Yeah.
This we call never.
Shira Camp 2. Good work. Alright, we have made to Shira Camp 2 just a bit over 4 hours. 4 hours and 13 minutes. I'll just show you guys. 4 hours, 13 minutes, just under 8 kilometers. Total ascent of 415 meters. Meaning we are now at 3,850. Do you know how to do a David Attenborough impression? Like after a hard day's hike, he settles back into his tent and has a nice warm nap.
His natural habitat.
I'm getting an ear on. He's like half smiling while sleeping.
Definitely not talking about you.
Now we start with the soup. I have a leeks soup.
A what?
Leeks.
She doesn't like banana. Very good.
And this is bolognese sauce.
Vegetarians.
Settings. Yeah. No. And then you've got a knife.
Alright guys, this is Innocent here.
Yeah, my name is Innocent Casey. I'm the mountain guide and safari. Second day, I'm with the company known as the Alteza company. I'm working with them.
How long have you been with them for?
Almost like 1.5 now.
Were you a tour guide before with another company before joining Alteza?
Yes.
Yeah.
So in the years back, I was like freelance,
Right.
like working in different company. And once the Alteza, they try to give us like information if you wanna join the Alteza, then I book with them, then I go for interview, then I pass, then they take me.
Oh, nice.
So since then until today, I'm working with them.
And how long have you been climbing Kilimanjaro for?
To be honest with you, almost like 12 years now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So plus the 4 years of porters, like 15 years.
Yeah, and that's usually how it goes. You're a porter first, get used to the mountain, get used to the climbing, and then if you show like you good guide, then you go up.
Also like first aid training to learn about how to handle the client.
Communication and management of people.
Yeah, management of people.
Then lastly, you got to tell us, how did you get the name Innocent?
Okay, so this is very tricky. Although it's a very personal issue, but I'm gonna give you. This is the name my mother gave me when I born, because there was a misunderstanding between my mother and my father. So
Right.
she names me Innocent, like someone is not guilty.
Yeah. That's a good name.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a very nice name for your mom to pass on to you. Innocent.
Yeah, that's how I be named Innocent.
All right. Awesome, man. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Cheers.
You're welcome.
Alright, we are just doing our afternoon acclimatization hike. And as you can see, we have elevated some way. It's just a bit past 4 o'clock now. We're 25 minutes in. We have elevated about 93 meters. So it's an hour and a half. So we will, I think, get up to 4,000. I think the plan's 4,100. Hang up there for a little bit and then head back down. Just every now and then when you're climbing and making big steps, throbbing is quite consistent, maybe like a 4 out of 10.
Lifesaver. I'm gonna try a red one this time. Sweet.
I bought a 20-pound bag.
20 pounds?
20-pound bag of
That's like
this.
10 kilos.
20 kilos.
Like
And I
8
brought
kilos.
10 kilos.
Nia has a little bit of a headache.
Yeah.
I have a little bit of a headache. Gab has a headache. How you going, Satya?
I'm on.
You look like you're doing good. You're just like walking around with a t-shirt, like with your sunnies, all cool. Sorry, I think I feel the same as you, Gab. Maybe not as bad, but it's throbbing, eh?
Yeah, my eyes are, I don't even want to open my eyes.
I think I'm gonna take the Damox when I go down.
You haven't taken it yet?
No.
One.
4,060.
Okay.
Yeah, roundabout.
A lot of people feel it in their breathing. I always feel it in my like muscles where like going up, my like quads feel like they're just like so dead, and I'm not really feeling anything.
Alrighty, this is as far up as we're gonna go for today. 165 meters ascent. So we have now breached 4,000 meters. And surprisingly, I actually feel better up here than I was down there at camp. Feel a lot better, headache's like gone. Maybe the key is to keep going higher and higher. So only very few times I've gone above 4,000, and yeah, only twice. Mount Kinabalu, highest point in Malaysia, 4,095, and Mexico, Pico de Orizaba, 5,675.
Grayson, how long have you been climbing Kinabalu for? Oh, sorry, not Kinabalu, I'm thinking Malaysia. How long have you been climbing Kilimanjaro for?
More than 21 years.
21? Holy moly. So how was it like 20 years ago? Was there more or less people? How was it?
Yeah, there are less people.
Yeah.
The comparison with now there are a lot of people.
And were the people climbing back then, like, I'd imagine real like mountaineers, like older people?
I used to work with different people. Younger, older, average.
And then how long have you been with Alteza for?
More, now it's almost 3 years now.
Okay, so yeah, getting to a decent length of time. What's your most favorite thing about this hike? Which part?
Yeah, all the parts, but mostly going to the summit because I'm happy to make people's dream come true.
Ah, yeah, no, that's good. Yeah. The hardest part of the hike.
Not the hardest part, challenging part.
Ah, okay, that's a good way to think about it.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks for taking us up above 4,000 for the first time on this on this trek. So we all appreciate it. Woohoo!
It's no worries for the rest of the day. It's not problem free.
Damn, check out those views, guys. It is just about 6:30 now, and the sun is setting in front of us. How crazy is that? Golden sun rays to end the day, day 2 of our trek. Got all my fleece stuff on now, getting rugged up, just getting ready for dinner now. We are just gonna do our end of the day health check. We do 2 health checks in the morning and at night. Pretty much take our blood oxygen and heart rate and just check up on how we're feeling. Been 10 out of 10 until now, so tonight I might say 8 out of 10 only because of this headache. Shame I don't have my drone with me. This would have been an absolutely sick time to fly Mav through the clouds, through the sunset, but decided not to bring it. First time in 8 years of traveling, end of the year, on my trip, that I don't have my drone.
Oh, this is a lot of fish.